Students, now we study about chord of curvature parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So we suppose that here this is the curve. So let P be any point on the curve. Let P be any point on the curve. Suppose this is any point on the curve. Let C be the center of curvature. Let C be the center of curvature. Let C be the center of curvature. Here, this is x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is OX and OY are the x-axis and y-axis. Here let O be the origin and OX and OY be the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here we can see this is the curve and P be any point on this curve here, and this O is the origin, OX is x-axis, OY is y-axis, and this capital C be the center of curvature. So we can draw a circle of curvature whose center is the center of curvature, and here CP is the radius of curvature. So draw a circle of curvature. Draw a circle of curvature of curve at point P whose center and radius is the center and radius of curvature of curve at that point. आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द कर्व, ये कर्व है, कर्व पे कोई P पॉइंट है, O is the origin, OX is x-axis, OY is y-axis. Here C is the center of curvature of this curve at point P. Here C is the center of curvature of this curve at point P. And this is the circle of curvature whose center at C and radius is the radius of curvature of this curve at P point. So we join PC, join PC and produce it to D, and produce it meeting the circle at D point. Here we can see we produce PC and this PC join PC and produce PC to D point, this D point on the circle of curvature. Here we can see join P and C and produce PC to D meeting this circle of curvature at D point. And we draw PA and PB which are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Draw PA and PB parallel to x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here we can see that PA is parallel to x-axis and PB is parallel to y-axis. Now we join this A with D and this D with B. Join A and B with D. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक कर्व लिया गया है, कर्व पे एक पॉइंट P है और ये आपका O ओरिजिन है, OX एक्स एक्सिस है, OY Y एक्सिस है और C जो है ये इस कर्व के P पॉइंट पर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है. Now we draw a circle of curvature whose center at C point and radius is the radius of curvature of this curve at P point. यहाँ पर एक हमने सर्किल ड्रा किया गया है जिस सर्किल का सेंटर C पॉइंट पर है और जिसकी रेडियस इस कर्व का जो P पॉइंट पर कर्वेचर की रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर है उसके बराबर है. यानी इस सर्किल ऑफ कर्वेचर की रेडियस इस कर्व के P पॉइंट पर जो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर है उसके इक्वल है और इस सर्किल का सेंटर इस P पॉइंट पर जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है उसके इक्वल है यानी आइडेंटिकल है. नाउ वी ड्रा PA एंड PB. So this A and B lies on the circle of curvature and here we join P and C and produce PC to D which meeting the circle of curvature at D point. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक कर्व गिवन है जिस पर कोई पॉइंट P है और यहाँ पर कैपिटल C ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है इस कर्व के P पॉइंट पर. अब फिर P पॉइंट पर जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है इस गिवन कर्व का वो कैपिटल C है. कैपिटल C को सेंटर एज्यूम करके और CP को रेडियस एज्यूम करके एक सर्किल ड्रा किया गया है. ये सर्किल दिस इज द सर्किल ऑफ कर्वेचर. दिस इज द सर्किल ऑफ कर्वेचर. Now we draw PA and PB. Here PA is parallel to x-axis and PB is parallel to y-axis. Now we produce PC to D meeting the circle of curvature at D point. Join A with D and B with D. यानी join AD and BD. Now we can draw this tangent makes angle psi with the x-axis. So here PT is the tangent. Here PT is the tangent at P points makes angle psi with x-axis. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर PT एक टेंजेंट है P पॉइंट पर गिवन कर्व की जो कि x एक्सिस से साई एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है. नाउ वी कैन सी हियर दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल आर इक्वल बिकॉज एंगल APT एंड एंगल PTX बोथ आर द अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सो दीज आर इक्वल्स. These are equals. We can see here angle APT is equal to angle PTX because these are alternate interior angles. So these are equal because AP is parallel to x-axis and PT here transversal. So this angle APT is equal to angle PTX because both are the alternate interior angles. So these are equal. So angle APT is equal to psi here. We can see that this is psi. Also we know that this whole angle DPT, this is equal to 90 degrees. Now we find here angle APD. So we find here angle APD. Angle APD, this angle APD is 90 degree minus psi. We get here 90 degree minus psi. So we get here angle APD. Angle APD is equal to 90 minus psi here. Now we find here AP. AP is the chord which is parallel to x-axis. Here AP is that chord which is parallel to x-axis. So here we find AP, and BP is that chord which is parallel to y-axis. So here we find chord of curvature parallel to x-axis which is AP, and chord of curvature parallel to y-axis which is BP. So we find here chord of curvature parallel to x-axis, that is equal to here AP. And we know that in this triangle, APD, when we find here sine, so this is cos 90 minus psi, this is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base is here AP and hypotenuse is DP, so we write here AP upon DP. And we know that cos 90 minus psi, this is equal to sin psi, so this is AP upon DP is here twice of CP. So we can write CP is the radius of curvature of this circle of curvature, so it is denoted by rho. So here we can see AP is equal to 2 rho sin psi. So we can see here chord of curvature parallel to x-axis is 2 rho sin psi. Therefore chord of curvature parallel to x-axis is 2 rho sin psi. So this is the formula of chord of curvature parallel to x-axis. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एंगल PTX ये साई के इक्वल था, सिंस PT मेक्स एंगल साई विद द x axis, and this AP is parallel to x axis. AP is the chord which is parallel to x axis. So PT is the transversal here, AP is parallel to x axis, so angle APT is equal to PTX because these are alternate interior angles. So this is also psi. Now we know that tangent and normal both are the perpendicular, and CP is the radius of curvature of this circle of curvature which lies on the normal at P point. So CP is perpendicular to PT, so angle DPT is 90 degree. Now we find here APD, so APD is 90 minus psi angle, because this whole angle is 90 and this angle is psi. So when we subtract this psi from 90 degree, we get 90 minus psi, that is angle APD. Now we find here AP, so we take cos 90 minus psi, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. आप देख सकते हैं इस ट्रायंगल APD में जब cos 90 minus psi निकालेंगे, ये एंगल आपका 90 minus psi है, तो cos 90 minus psi होगा बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, बेस यहाँ AP है, हाइपोटेन्यूज DP है, so AP upon DP. Now we know that cos 90 minus theta, this is sin theta, so this is sin psi is equal to AP, and we can see in the figure this DP is twice of CP, because DP is the diameter and CP is the radius, so diameter is the double of the radius, so we can write here DP is equal to twice of CP, and CP is the radius of curvature which is rho, so we write here rho, so AP is equal to 2 rho sin psi, which is the chord of curvature parallel to x-axis. Now we find here chord of curvature parallel to y-axis. So we know we see from figure AD is equal to BP here. So we find here AD in this triangle APD. In triangle APD, we find here sin 90 minus psi. This is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is AD upon hypotenuse is DP. And we know that this DP is twice of CP. So we write here twice of CP, and CP is the radius of curvature. So this can be written as AD upon 2 rho, and here sin 90 minus psi, this can be written as cos psi is equal to AD upon 2 rho. So we can write here AD is equal to 2 rho sin psi. So this is the chord of curvature. Therefore we write here, therefore chord of curvature parallel to y axis is equal to, we can see in the figure, this is equal to BP, which is equal to AD, and AD is here 2 rho sin psi. So this is the chord of curvature parallel to y axis. आप देख सकते हैं इस सर्किल ऑफ कर्वेचर में BP is the chord of curvature parallel to y axis, and PP is equal to AD. And from in this triangle APD we can find sin 90 minus psi, this is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is AD upon DP. And we can see from the figure DP is twice of CP, so this is 2 times of CP, and CP is the radius of curvature of the given curve at P point. So this is rho. Sin 90 minus psi, this is equal to cos psi, so cos psi is equal to AD upon 2 rho. So we find here AD is equal to 2 rho. Here we find AD is equal to 2 cos psi. Sorry, this is cos psi. So AD is equal to, we find here AD is equal to 2 rho cos psi. So this is 2 rho cos psi. So the chord of curvature parallel to y axis is 2 rho cos psi. Thank you.